I think good lighting design is when you're not really aware of where the light's coming from, unless of course it's a feature light. But when the lighting's done correctly with correct design, you are less aware of where it's coming from and far more aware of what it's lighting and enhancing. This is why the focus of the lights is so critical to get the best out of the home. It's important to understand the use of the room and to match the lighting to that use. This is usually achieved with the use of different levels or different layers of light at different positions within the room, whether it's from the wall, from the floor, from the ceiling. And by having those different layers and a mixture of levels on those layers with controlled dimming, you can exactly achieve what's required for the use of the space. Great lighting design is easily achieved with a single button press when we have a control system. All the complexity is taken away, so it's very easy to use. This is part of the automation system and it all goes on behind the scenes, but to operate it's a simple button press from a wall panel or from a phone or from a touch screen when you're sat down. To achieve that, there's a lot goes on behind the scenes, but from a customer's point of view, it's very simple. Don't forget also with automation that these things can happen at set times of day. When it starts to go dark, the driveway lights can come on, for instance, but all the house lights outside go off at 11 o'clock, so you don't have to think about that. So automation, which sounds like a complex word, can make your life very simple, can make it easier and more pleasant to live with. It's like an electric garage door. Once you've had one, you always look for that on the next house. Lighting control systems are many and varied, and we work with a number of them for different reasons. Some for new builds, some for retrofit, some wired and some wireless. We've got solutions that are reliable and work for all needs. It's not a problem for us to retrofit a system, just as easy as it is to do it in a new home.